What up, what up, what up, what up? What's going on, world? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Back at you with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about more about getting our mind right, getting ourselves right, and what actions we can take in order to make sure that we're fixing our lives. So in this video, we're going to talk about some more motivation, some more mindset, some more personal development, getting ourselves the accurate, the right way. Take a little walk, make sure I don't trip, but they is working on this ground, so it's kind of gravelly. So let me just get into the content and what we're going to be talking about. So we're going to be about taking actions, and what actions are you currently taking to make sure that you're able to fix life? What actions you have taken to make sure that your life is going better? And this, I'm not talking about no system. I'm not talking about what the government is doing. I'm not talking about what your peers, your friends, anything like that. I'm talking about what actions are you currently doing in order to get your life right, in order to get things properly situated for you to continue to go towards your goals and your dreams. And like I said, we're not talking about any system. We're talking about doing something different, doing something radical, stepping outside of the box to make sure that we're taking the right actions, the necessary actions to fix our lives and to have our lives going the right way. Now, the time to get this started is now. It wasn't yesterday. It won't be tomorrow. Don't wait for tomorrow. Learn from some of the lessons that I learned from. Don't wait till tomorrow. Don't put off things until tomorrow. The present is the time to take actions. So don't say, okay, well, you know what, I don't feel like doing it, or I don't have the motivation to do it, right? Get out of that box. Step into that new you, that reprogram, that person who's doing their goals over, not because they want new goals, but because they have found themselves failing at some of the goals. So all you have to do is readjust your goals and reinvent them. Use your imagination, right? And get the goals right down. I think I did a video talking about just retargeting your goal, just like reinventing your goals. Like, just get it started again. Don't give up. Don't lay down. Don't stay stagnant, right? The present time is the current time, and the current time is now to take the right action in order to fix the things that's going on in your life. What actions can you take to make sure these things are going on? And now is not the time to delay. As you can see, time is going by. Time is flying by. Right now, we in the springtime. We just got over the winter. It seems like the year's just begun. So no time to delay. It's no time to delay. Don't wait for the government to send out no stimulus checks or for the laws to change up in order for you to get things going right. Don't wait for your peers or anything like that, or somebody else that's a coach or something like that to get things going in order for you to get things in play. No delay. It's time to start right now. Don't wait for the government. Nobody's gonna come and save you. The industry is not going to save you. What Wall Street is doing is not going to save you. What the president and the other leaders of the world is doing is not going to save you. What you have to do is do the drastic movements that you have to do in order to get things right, in order to get things going. We must act first in order to get the power up. You won't be able to understand what you can get done or what you can do until you get it started first. It's like, I don't know if you ever have like maybe a motorbike or motorcycle or a generator or maybe a snowblower or something, like where you have to crank it up. You have to crank it up before you get that power started, before you can get it going. It's the same thing in life. It's the same thing when you're going after your goals. It's the same thing when you have to take those tasks and those necessary actions to make sure that you're fixing your life. You have to crank it up, right? You have to crank it up more than once. You have to put a little power into it. You have to pull that string maybe 5-10 times. You have to keep pulling it and get that groove, get that momentum going. And once you're pulling it, you got it going, then you're able to crank it up. Crank up that generator, get it started. Crank up that motorbike, get it started. Crank up that snowblower, crank up your life, crank up your mindset. Crank up what you're doing. You feeling lazy, lackadaisical? Move around, right? Go for a walk, get some fresh air, get the body movement, get the blood flowing. But now is the time. I'm telling y'all, ladies and gentlemen, time is flying by too much. Too much. We're seeing time go by way too fast. Now is the time to take the action that you have to take in order to make sure everything is going right in your life, in order to fix the wrongs that's going in your life, in order to make the situation that's a wrong situation in your mind a better situation, and continue to thrive and go after what you want. Go after your goals, go after your dreams, continue to go down that right path. But the only way to go down the right path is you have to take daily actions, daily necessary action. Don't get stagnant and act now. Now is the time to act, to take those necessary action. No matter if you got slapped down, no matter if you've been laying down, if you got slapped down and you stayed laid down for a few while, now is the time to get up, get that momentum started, taking the right actions. It's springtime, right? Now is the time to plant those seeds. Now is the time to get that energy going. The sun is rising earlier, so now is the time to get up and rise with the sun and get things going. Get unstuck and make sure your dream comes true. Get unstuck. Yes, it's be times that we're in a rut. Get unstuck. It'll be time that you don't know how to get out of rut. Find a way to get unstuck. Get unstuck. Make sure that your dreams are coming true. Keep working towards your goals. Keep working towards your dreams, no matter what. Now is not the time to quit. Now is not the time to quit. And I got a birthday coming around the corner, and a lot of times when my birthday comes around the corner, I get in a certain kind of mindset, and that mindset is sometimes not the right mindset. So right now I'm trying to power myself up, and I'm trying to power up other people to get into the right mindset, to get into the springtime, to get into the attitude of gratitude, because you're still here. You're still here. And don't be rude. Give people a smile. Don't be always frowning your face up. You're alive. Give thanks. Be gratitude. Take those necessary steps to get unstuck, to take those actions to move towards your goals. Nothing should hold us back. Nothing should hold you down if you are willing to take these actions. Nothing should hold you down from your dreams. Nothing should hold you down from your goals, from your aspirations, from what you are trying to achieve. Nothing should hold you down if you are willing to take the actions. Take the actions that's necessary. Once again, it's Ansley D. Hope you got some value out of this. Please, please, please try to get unstuck. Try to get out of that rut and try to take those actions. If you feel like your life is not going the way you want it, take those necessary actions. Take those necessary actions to get unstuck, to fix your life, to get out of that rut, to make things right. So once again, hope you got some value out of this. Hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what's some actions that you're currently doing in order to fix the situations in your life, in order to fix the things that you're not happy about in your life, in order to get towards your goals and dreams. Once again, it's Ansley D. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Peace. Be safe.